Is it the right time to buy or sell the iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive analysis of the iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. Now, we are here to delve even deeper into the subject. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Explore the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 1, 2023, our system has identified iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond as a potential buy candidate, earning it a score of 2.42. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a positive gain of 3.1%. That's an average return of 0.77% per day since it was flagged as a buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 0.645% change in the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from minus 14.56% to minus 0.645%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a minus 17.91% change over the next year. This translates to a possible return between minus 31.49% and minus 17.91%. So after a year, the price range could be between $65.68 and $78.70. Our latest update for the iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond is here. On Wednesday, the ETF price closed at $95.87 after a gain of 1.33%. During the last trading day, Wednesday, December 6, 2023, the iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond ETF price increased by 1.33%, starting at $94.61 and reaching $95.87. The ETF experienced a fluctuation of 1.24% between its lowest point of $94.87 and highest point of $96.05. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, showing a growth of 5.88% in the past 2 weeks. The trading volume dropped by minus 12 million shares on the last day, with a total of 60 million shares being bought and sold, resulting in a transaction value of approximately $5.78 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a divergence and may be an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the course of the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $109.68, while the lowest price was $82.42. Currently, the price is 12.59% or $13.81 lower than the 52-week high and 46.65% or $83.83 lower than the all-time high reached on March 9, 2020, when the price peaked at $179.70. Today, we will be discussing the signals for iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond. Looking at the chart, we can see mostly positive signals. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also supports a buy signal, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there is support from the lines at $93.11 and $88.30. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 19, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 15.83%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the ETF. Today, let's explore some interesting signals in the stock market. One signal that caught our attention is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, showing a buy signal 34 days ago. We also have the Bollinger signal, which had a buy signal just a day ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago. However, the long-term moving average presented a buy signal 24 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average provided a buy signal 25 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 7 days ago. Moreover, the relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 141 days ago. For more signals and in-depth analysis, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond. When it comes to support levels, we can see that the ETF has some key levels just below today's price. Specifically, there is accumulated volume support at $87.63 and $87.50. These levels are important because if the ETF breaks below them, it may continue to fall towards the next support level. In this case, that next level would be at $82.77. In terms of risk, iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond is generally considered to have a low risk. It is traded at a good volume and experiences minor daily changes. Looking at the last day, the ETF had a price range of $1.18, 1.24%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 1.28%. Today we'll be diving into the potential day trading levels for iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to move upward quickly, given the right conditions. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine when it might be a good time to exit. On the downside, iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond faces its first support level at $87.63. If this support level holds, it could present an opportunity for a rebound and serve as a favorable entry point. Our recommended stop-loss for this ETF is set at $93.07, which represents a decrease of 2.92%. This particular ETF has relatively low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 79, indicating a higher level of risk. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 33 days ago. Is iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals suggesting that now may be a good time to consider buying iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond ETF. When looking at the volatility and recent movements in the market, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For Thursday, December 7th, we anticipate iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond to open with a decrease of $0.273 and begin trading at $95.60. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Therefore, it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.